Hi guys, so today I will show you how to remove the air ventilation panel on Ford Focus 2005 Ford Focus hatchback Zx5. So over here there's the air vent. I've tried to insert the cell phone mount, and it pushes the two out of 5 ventilation inside. So now
Okay, so actually this is
okay, go ahead.
This is my car. I'm a new driver and I've had trouble finding my way, so I've bought a GPS and tried to hook on one of this guy here. I'm sorry you can't see because it's sunny out here, but it's let me just bring it close. There are vents that you can move from one side to other side to change the flow of air. Oh, hang on. So they are really important on a summer day like this today. What I did was I tried to hook my GPS on here so that I can have access. Just give me a sec. But in the process, I broke one of the vent, and it just pushed the other one inside, and I ensured I could not change this guy over here. It was stuck in one position. So what I did is we tried to take this panel out, and this panel is stuck on the 4 pins on top and bottom here. If you can see right here, it's top and bottom right here. So what you do is, you know that there is not much space in between the panel and this board. So try to stuck something like a flathead screwdriver and try to just pop it out, and start from the center. It'll be easier, and then you can walk your way to from when you're done with top, you can just try the same thing in the bottom. And one more thing that I noticed today is you actually can take it apart because it's just a switch panel right here. I did not need it to take it out. I just wanted to fix it, so I just fixed it through here. And now I'm gonna just put it back. So I tried watching Facebook, YouTube videos, but I could not find anything. So I thought I can make a video that can help others when they find the same situation. So thank you guys. That's all, and we're good.